Hey guys, today I have these Basecamp dust masks which they kindly sent me to try out. They come highly recommended with very positive reviews, so I'm looking forward to giving them a good test for myself. And what could be a better test than my trade of ceramic tiling, where I basically work in a cloud of dust all day. So this one is the M Pro, designed for long lasting work days and long lasting comfort. And this is the M Plus with its neoprene material, making it highly stretchy and accommodating to a range of face shapes. So let's have a look what's inside. With the M Pro we've got a generous 6 replaceable filters, the mask itself and an instruction manual. At the top there is a bendable metal nose piece for comfort and a good seal. 2 straps, one for your head and one for your neck, the neck one being velcro and the head one being adjustable. The whole thing feels well built and nice and soft on first impressions. At the front there are 2 one-way valves which are also removable for washing, and inside the mask we find the changeable carbon filter. And you'll see here on the screen Basecamp's recommended time for when you should change them. And these are the 6 material layers the filters use for protection. The M Plus again comes with 6 changeable filters, and the mask design here is a little bit different. It just boasts 1 large velcro strap and cutouts for the ears. And the front is much the same as the Pro M with the nose piece and the 2 one-way valves. With the neoprene on this one I can feel the stretchiness in the different material. So along with its 1 strap, it'd be interesting to see how it differs from the other and how it fits. A good dust mask is a must and a vital part of any tradesman or DIYer's PPE kit for protecting your long-term health. And we only have 1 set of lungs, so we need to look after them. I've been guilty myself of sometimes not wearing a mask